You don't have to feed me.
Babe, I am just
You're
fine.
not doing anything. You're trying to embarrass me. You're trying to humiliate me.
Then feed yourself.
I see. That's exactly what you're trying to do. You are fed up. You are tired. You are tired of me. I know. You want me to die. You want me to die so that you can go and spread all your legs so that all the other men can be fucking you anyhow. That's what you want. You want them to be fucking you. Just go.
Maxwell, all I have done since this whole nightmare started is to take care of you. I get it. You are scared. You are angry. But that does not give you the right to treat me like shit. You are not the only one actively dying. I'm sorry,
You're what? You are sick. You are sick. Get out of this room. Okay, get out. Kim, I said you get out. Give my food. Get out. Go and stay with all the men. Go open your leg. Go. I can feel myself. No! 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 Don't let me! Don't let me! I'll get away! Get out! No!
Max, like this!
What's going on?
His hand.
Max,
no! No! No!
Max,
I can't lose this one.
Hey, you need to calm down, okay? Easy,
I can't lose this one. I can't lose it. Oh Lord, I can't lose it.
Easy.
Let that one take out of it.
Listen, you need to calm down. Alright, you need to calm down. Just breathe slowly. Easy, try. Just like that. Just like that. Just breathe, allow it, okay? Just like that. Alright? Yeah, just like that. Ease off, okay? Ease off. Just keep breathing, okay? Just like that. Allow it flow. Right? Just relax. There you go. Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Just like that, okay? Just relax.
Thank you.
Yeah, just relax.
Miss Mommy, thank you. Thank you. Can go. Can go, thank you. Thank you, can go. Miss Mommy. Thank you.
It's peaceful out here.
Yeah.
You see, what happened earlier with his hands? It's only going to get worse. Okay, his entire body is shutting down.
I am trying. I really am, but no matter what I say or do, he always pushes me away. I don't know what to do. Whatever I say, it just feels like everything I do is wrong.
Okay, I understand. Okay, I totally understand. But you see, the fear of losing control of his body, it's overwhelming. In such case, he tends to push everybody away before they even leave.
I love him. And I'm trying my best to be there for him. But he keeps pushing me away. I don't know what to do. I am tired.
Look, one day at a time. Okay, that's how you get through it. When it's too much, just lean on me. Okay? And together we'll take care of him. I promise.
Thank you, Caleb. Babe, babe, what is it? Babe, are you okay? What's going on?
I got it.
Babe,
I got it.
you're scaring me. What is it?
I can't move. I can't move.
What do you mean you can't move? Is it stroke, babe?
It's not a stroke.
Then what is it now? Babe. Babe. Where's my phone? Babe.
Mrs. Adibayo, I know this is difficult to take, but we just confirmed that your husband is suffering from ALS. That is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis.
How? ALS?
Yes.
What does that even mean?
Well, ALS is a progressive degenerative disease. It affects the neural cells, that is the spinal cord and the brains. Especially when the neural cell dies, then the body finds it hard to move.
Why did he not tell me? He never mentioned anything like that.
it's not common for patients to detect that. So at the early stage, they don't want to worry their loved ones.
Doctor, doesn't mean that there is nothing we can do about it. There must be something. Like, we should be able to do something to save him.
I'm sorry, unfortunately, there's no cure for ALS. At times, we experience inability to move.
How long does he have?
For some, it takes months, weeks, even years. So all we just need to do is care for him emotionally.
He never told me. I should have known. I should have known, but he did not tell me anything.
Madam, do you need help? Are you okay?
I should have just known. I should have been there for him. I was just blind. I should have known. Thank you.
Blaming yourself won't change anything. Okay, it's not your fault. I know it's hard watching someone you love in this situation. Okay, but you can't change it.
But it's my fault. I neglected him. I was so busy having I didn't see him. He was right there, but I was wrapped up in my own selfishness. And now he's dying.
I understand.
He was dying.
Sometimes we wish we can change the hands of time. We can go back and do things differently. But you see your husband's illness? You can't change it. It's something you can't change.
I deserve this. I deserve to feel this way. I deserve everything. I deserve to feel this way.
Look, I understand how you feel. Alright, trust me, I understand how you feel. I know this hurts. But look, you have to forgive yourself. You have to let go of the guilt. To be there for him.
I don't know how. I don't know how to be strong enough for this.
None of us do. Okay? None of us do. Until we have to. Right? Look, I promise you, you'll find it.
Oh my God.
Mrs. Adibaya,
Doctor,
your husband's condition is advancing quickly. His muscles are becoming weakening, and soon movement will become impossible.
Is there nothing we can do to slow it down?
I'm sorry. I'm afraid there's nothing we can do to stop it. The only thing we can do is we just have to make him comfortable with the right care. So this is Caleb. He's an experienced hospice nurse. So he's here to support you and Mr. Adibayo through the journey.
Hi, Caleb. We are counting on you.
I'll do whatever I can now.
The doctors, the nurse, we are all here for you. We are going to take good care of you. I'm here for you, baby.
Yes, if for now you should be comfortable. Excuse me.
Yes. Okay. Look, I'm sorry. I didn't want to tell you because I don't want you to see me waste away.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. I know. We will pull through this together.
Well, I am not pulling through this.
That's not true.
I can't.
You can. There is always hope. There is hope. Miracles happen.
Not with me. There are no miracles. There's no miracle with you, because okay, man. I thought I was ready. I thought that at this very moment that I'll be fine, but I'll be okay with it. That I'll be ready to die. But I am not. I don't want to die. I am scared. I can't think of a world where you are not there.
Nothing will happen to you.
You don't want to die.
Nothing will happen to you. You will beat this. You're stronger than you think. Is everything okay with the room?
Yeah, everything is perfect.
Okay.
Hey, are you okay? Look, I know it's a very stupid question to ask given everything that's going on. But you You seem a bit too...
It's Maxwell. He's so scared. He is terrified of dying. I don't even know how to help him. I don't know how to comfort him. I don't just know what to do. I am helpless.
Look, I understand how you feel. Okay, I know you're tired. I know you are exhausted. But you have to be strong. Kim, you have to be strong. He needs you. He needs you to be his anchor. Okay, he needs you to hold on to whatever strength you have.
So, this is it? There's nothing else we can do? So we're just supposed to let him die? Just like that?
Look, I wish I can tell you otherwise. But right now, the best we can do is to make him comfortable.
No. That's not true. There must be someone out there who must have survived this. You can't tell me there is no hope. There should be something we can do. I still believe in miracles. Miracles happen every day. There must be someone out there who must have survived
Listen,
this.
every time, sometimes.
I still believe in miracles. I still believe that there's something we can do.
Okay. Sometimes all we have is just hope. Okay, just hope.
The Lord who healeth you. I am the Lord that sets you free. Those were your words. You said those words. You said, I will restore your health. You said I should bring my case to you. You said I should bring my arguments to you. Lord, I am here today. I am here with my case. I am here with my arguments. Lord, my husband does not deserve to die. He is a good man. I broke my vows. I cheated on him. And when my lover stabbed me, he was there for me. He took care of me. He gave me his blood. Lord, how can you let a man like that suffer? How can you let a man so meek, so humble, so good, like Maxwell suffer? He does not deserve to die. He is a good man. Lord, he does not deserve to die. He deserves to have a long life. He deserves to live long. Lord, please. Don't let my husband die. Heal my husband. You said in your word that we should come to you, that whatever will come to you and ask you, you provide it. You said that you are the Lord of fire. You said that you are our God, that whatever I will bring forth to you, that you are going to rescue, you are going to heal us. You said that no affliction shall befall us. So why is affliction befalling my husband? Why is my husband going to die? He doesn't deserve to die. Oh, Father, Lord.
You don't have to feed me.
Babe, I am just
You're
trying.
not doing anything. You're trying to embarrass me. You're trying to humiliate me.
Then feed yourself.
I see. That's exactly what you're trying to do. You are fed up. You are tired. You are tired of me. I know. You want me to die. You want me to die so that you can go and spread all your legs so that all the other men can be fucking you anyhow. That's what you want. You want them to be fucking you. Just go.
Maxwell, all I have done since this whole nightmare started is to take care of you. I get it. You are scared. You are angry. But that does not give you the right to treat me like shit. You are not the only one actively dying. I'm sorry,
You're what?
I didn't mean to.
You are sick. You are sick. Get out of this room. Okay, get out. Kim, I said you get out. Leave my food. Get out. Go and stay with all the men. Go open your legs. Go. I can feel myself. No! 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 Don't let me! Don't let me! I'll get away! Get out! No!
Maxwell, this!
No!
What's going on?
No!
His hand.
Maxwell.
No! No! No!
Max.
I can't lose this
Hey,
one!
you need to calm down, okay? Easy, easy.
I can't lose this one! I can't lose it! Oh Lord! I can't lose it!
Easy.
Don't touch me! I can get out of it!
Max, listen, you need to calm down. Alright, you need to calm down. Just breathe slowly. Easy, try. Just like that. Just like that. Just breathe, allow it, okay? Just like that. Alright? Yeah, just like that. Ease off, okay? Ease off. Just keep breathing, okay? Just let that allow it flow. Right? Just relax. There you go. Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Just like that, okay? Just relax.
Thank you.
Yeah, just relax.
Miss Mommy, thank you. Thank you. Can go. Can go, thank you. Thank you, can go. Miss Mommy. Thank you.
It's peaceful out here.
Yeah.
You see, what happened earlier with his hands? It's only going to get worse. Okay, his entire body is shutting down.
I am trying. I really am, but no matter what I say or do, he always pushes me away. I don't know what to do. Whatever I say, it just feels like everything I do is wrong.
Okay. I understand. Okay, I totally understand. But you see, the fear of losing control of his body, it's overwhelming. In such case, he tends to push everybody away before they even leave.
I love him. And I'm trying my best to be there for him. But he keeps pushing me away. I don't know what to do. I am tired.
Look, one day at a time. Okay, that's how you get through it. When it's too much, just lean on me. Okay? And together we'll take care of him. I promise.
Thank you, Caleb.
First of all,
Okay, let's get you sitting up a little bit. Okay, easy. Sorry.
want to break my neck? But bleed too rough. Want to break my neck?
No.
Why are you being rough like this?
Look, I wasn't being rough.
I think I'm being rough and incompetent. Can I argue with your patient? Are you not the nurse? You're the nurse, I'm the patient, I'm your boss. You cannot be arguing with me like that. Where did you get you from? Very incompetent. You don't even know your job. No, take that. I want to one that knows his job. I want a good nurse. In fact, a woman nurse, not a man. Shut up. I'm still talking. You see the nurse situation, look at me. They're looking at me like I am one abject chicken. Every time you be cleaning me, cleaning everything. They're looking at me like as if I'm about to die. You're a vulture. You're a vulture. You want me to die. You want me to die so you can go to the next stop. Have you? Isn't it? You want me to die. Look at your face. I would rather look at something idiot. Your face is a stupid face. Disgusting.
Look, I understand that you're angry. Okay? And you have every right to be. Okay? But you see, I have been in this profession long enough. I've heard everything. Okay, the insults, the dramas. It's nothing you're going to say that's going to break me. Right? So we either make this a fight every day, or we work together to make you feel okay.
No.
It's your decision to make.
Shut up! I don't need you. Get out! I said get out!
Okay, I'll just get your drugs.
Get out of there! I don't need you. Get out!
I will be back in a second.
Get out! Take your stupid shit out of this place. Get out!
I'll just go get your meds, okay? I'll be back.
Get the hell out of this place. Get out!
Hey, let me help you with that, okay? You need to rest. Relax, okay? I'll get it to me.
Hi, Jide.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And how is my friend doing?
Yeah.
Okay, what the hell is this?
He is Maxwell's hospice nurse.
Nurse. And why didn't they give you a female nurse?
Because the hospital assigned him to us.
The hospital, huh? I see. Mingban, listen and listen carefully. You're here to do your job and your job alone. If I as much as see you 1 inch to king, best believe we'll have problems. Real problems. Did you hear me? You better do your job.
Who's that?
He is Maxwell's friend.
What is his deal?
This is what you want? Okay. You good?
I'm good. Stop looking at me like that. Stop looking at me like I want helpless thing.
Look, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm just I just
The next person that do talk me like that, I'll just jump from the bed. That way they'll be scared.
I mean, you give us a fright, right? Superman. Hey man, you think Arsenal still have a shot this season?
Now they keep playing like they want to dedicate.
Let's just yeah. Let's see. Can you just you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? It's too slow. Huh? Every time they're always messing up.
It's an experience I do not like to relive. It was so traumatic. But I've moved past that. Yeah, you see this movie, I've seen it more than a couple of times. I've seen it a lot of times, yeah. And I don't get tired of it. The thing about it is that you can't even differentiate the antagonist from the protagonist. It's really interesting.
Tell me about the people that you know who were trying to feel alive.
What?
Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking
check on my
call me
husband.
out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time.
Yeah, hello. Hello, Grace. Yes, this is Caleb. Listen, I need your help. Yeah, I need you standing for me for my job. No, it's not the patient, okay? It's his wife. Look, I know this is stupid, okay, but I'm trying. I think I'm feeling something for her. Grace, I know the rules, okay? I followed them all the way. But this is different. Grace, 1 month? No, I can't keep it. I can't keep it together for that long. Listen, maybe I should just talk to the doctor. Yeah, just in case anything changes, okay? Just let me know, please. All right. Okay.
Hey, where are you going?
I am going to eat in my room.
Why? You have always eaten with me here in the dining.
Okay, I'll be eating in my room henceforth.
What's with this sudden change? You have become so cold to me all of a sudden. What's going on?
I am just trying to maintain professional boundaries. Okay? You're my patient's wife, not my friend. Our relationship is not supposed to be anything else.
Okay. Hey babe. Movie time. I brought your favorite snacks.
I just want to sleep.
Oh, it's okay.
Must be nice, huh?
What?
Being able to pick up your phone with your hands and chat with your people, connect and laugh about it, send memes and messages and still laugh. When I'm here, I cannot even eat or scratch my nose.
Babe, But I asked us to watch a movie and you said no.
How is that going to make any difference? When was the last time that you took me out? When was the last time that we went on a date? You don't want to take me to dates because you're ashamed of me. Because you don't want people to say, look at your husband, he's a cripple, he cannot walk. You're ashamed of me, isn't it?
Babe, you know this is not fair.
Exactly.
This is not true.
Very correct. That's the first correction you've said. This is not fair. It's not fair at all. You're acting like a child that has some obligation. When, in all honesty, you're just waiting for me to die. You're waiting for me to die so that I can go and live your life. Don't worry, I will die soon.
Max, you're not the only one suffering here. For weeks, I have walked on eggshell, terrified of what to say or what to do to avoid not setting you off. Now you're acting as if you're the only one suffering while I'm also living in pain.
Do you think that your life is difficult? Try being stuck in your own body for once.
I'm going to sleep in the living room.
Of course, you will choose that now. Because I'm already trained to this bed. I'm taking this goddamn bed in my goddamn body.
I thought I did, but now I know I don't know yet. Baby, don't lie. Baby, don't lie. How could you do that to me? I'm falling slowly. 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 I'm falling slowly.
Should I just go check on her?
Can you forgive me? How could you hold it in?
Caleb, don't do anything stupid.
Take a walk in my shoes. Take a walk in my shoes. Take a walk in my shoes. I'm falling slowly. I'm falling slowly.
Hey. Hey.
What do you care? We are not even friends. You said that yourself, so just leave me alone.
Look, I cannot leave you alone, Kim. I can't. Not when you're like this. Not when you're hurting.
Just go. I don't want your pity. Just go. Just leave
Kimora,
me.
I am not pitying you. Okay? I can't just leave you like this. Not when you need someone. You know, if this nursing thing didn't work, I would open a big classy restaurant. Take a look at this masterpiece I just did.
Masterpiece.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're butchering vegetables?
Don't say that. I'm not butchering vegetables. I'm doing justice to the vegetables. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Today's your birthday?
Yeah, it's nothing, it doesn't matter.
What do you mean it doesn't matter? We should celebrate. It's your birthday.
It's nice to talk about your birthday when I can't even lift a finger to help myself.
He actually said that to you?
Yeah. It's just a birthday, so there's nothing to celebrate.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. It's just one birthday. There are a lot more to celebrate, so let's not talk about it.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
What? You did this? Oh, you didn't have to.
Well, it's the least I could do. You know, giving such short notice.
Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Go ahead, okay.
Don't be shy, just do it. And there you go. Okay, then we'll just settle it. Let me go get us glass. Okay?
Thank you.
Alright, I'll be right back. Okay. I don't want to use our hands. So,
Thank you so much. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Likewise, I don't know what I would have done without you as well. Yeah. But this is to you, to good health, and to many more birthdays worth celebrating.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Me too. Well, I hope you like the cake.
Yeah, like it. And so? I need to get this.
Yeah, sure. Hey,
Hey.
you couldn't sleep?
Yeah. I couldn't sleep.
Yeah, you can. You can join me. You want to?
No, yeah. Maybe.
Or am I making you uncomfortable?
It's just that it's been a long time I felt this way. It's been a long time since I was kissed, since I was touched by a man. And yes, seeing it this way.
Go away. Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away.
I love you, Kim. Yes, I do. I love you more than I should. More than I have the right to. Listen, I've tried. Okay, I've tried to stay away. I've tried to concentrate on my job, to pretend that you're not there, but it is not working. I can't just pretend I don't see these feelings.
Kelly, what we did is wrong.
I know. Kim, I know. Okay? I'm aware. But you see, at the same time, I cannot just pretend these feelings are not there. Look, I won't chase you. Okay? It's morally wrong. I wouldn't do that under his roof. Alright? Listen, Kim. I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait, Kim, till all of this is over. Till the guilt is no more there. Till all this weight is off our shoulders. Can I do that? Can I wait for you? Hey. Can I?
Yes. Wait.
I should go check on him. Shit. Sorry. Hey, stay with me. Stay with me. Okay. Hey. Beautiful. The doctor said he's been deprived of oxygen for a very long time. Okay, this is totally my fault. I own up to it, okay? I'm so sorry.
There's no need for that. All I want to know is, will my husband be okay? Will he come out of this? Will he?
Okay. I don't know. Okay, I can't say for sure. Listen, the hospital is totally in supporting whatever decision you make, okay? Be it legal charges or anything, okay? It's my fault. I take full responsibility.
It's okay. It's not entirely your fault. I just want my husband to be fine. Nothing more. Is he going to be okay? Is he going to come out of this?
Okay. I don't know.
The doctor doesn't even know when he will wake up. He's just been like this.
I'll be there soon, once I'm done with this undercover operation.
Okay.
Oh, and Kim? Gabriel's been released.
How? When? Why?
Listen, Kim. Max has a gun in his safe. Take it and call the police immediately if he comes anywhere near you. Do you hear me?
Okay.
Good. I have to go. But keep your phone close. If anything seems off, don't hesitate to reach out. Alright?
Alright.
I'll call you when I can.
Hey. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm alright. Any improvement?
None. Okay, for now we just have to keep observing it.
Okay.
What are you watching?
It's a movie.
Okay, this looks interesting.
Yeah. It is interesting, isn't it? Yeah. Kill him! Kill him! He's awake. He's awake!
He's awake?
Yes. He's asking to see the doctor. Let's go, let's go. He's asking to see the doctor. Why? Is anything the problem? What's going on?
Okay. I really don't know. Okay, let's just wait. Okay?
Doctor, what's the problem?
Mr. Adebayo has made a very difficult decision. He's opting for mercy killing.
Mercy killing? What? Why? No, that's not possible. He can't possibly ask for that.
Doctor, that's illegal.
Yes, as his doctor, I cannot legally comply with his request, but with his condition, there's nothing I can do.
Doctor, that's not going to happen. My husband cannot ask for that. It's not possible. What's going on?
I know how hard this is for you, but I can only carry that out with your consent.
No, I'm going to talk to him.
Anyway,
Maxwell!
when she made her decision, let me know.
Talk it up.
Babe, why do you want to do this? Why? I won't agree to it. I won't stand for it. I will not let you kill yourself.
I want peace. Peace.
Baby, please. I'm begging you, don't do this. Don't. Baby, please. Baby, please don't do this for my sake. Baby, please. I am begging you, don't do this. Don't do it, please. I strongly believe you will recover from this.
Nigerian, you have to respect my decision.
Respect your decision? How do you expect me to do that? How do you expect me to accept that you want to kill yourself? How do you want me to do that?
It's what I want. Kim, it's what I want.
Please. Please, I'm begging you. I need you. Don't do this, I need you. I need you, I love you. Baby, don't do this to me. Baby, please, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Why do you want to do this?
Hey, Kim. Have you made the decision?
No. I don't know if I can. I can't let him go. I can't.
Look. Grace is very particular about not wanting to leave. You know that.
I can't. I just can't.
Kim, we all know what he's been through. We all know the pain he's been in. The man doesn't just want to live like that anymore. He doesn't.
I will try my best to talk him out of it.
Hey. His lawyer is still talking to him.
I can't give up on him. He's the one giving up on himself.
Kim, this is not a matter of giving up on anybody. Okay, it's not a matter of giving up on him. This is honoring his wishes. You know how proud he can be? Look. You're not in this alone. Okay? I'll be with you every step of the way. Hey.
My name is Barrister John Nduwisi. I'm here to read your husband's will. Mister, please, can you excuse us?
No. You can stay.
Okay then. Okay. Your husband, Mr. Adebayo, has willed everything he has to you. This is the document of everything. Okay. Both his estates, assets, and all his holdings. He wanted you to be taken good care of in all ways. He wanted you to have this. Okay, let me take my leave. Thank you.
He knew. He knew. He knew about us yet.
Kim, what are you talking about? What is wrong?
He has to forgive me. He gave me everything that he knew. He died because of me. What kind of a person I am? Oh my God, what?
Hey, just take
Touch me! What have I done?
Kim, let's
Get out! Get out!
Kim, please open the door. Kim, look, I know you're in there, okay? Just open the door. Please, don't do anything stupid, please. Kim.
I thought I did, but now I know I don't know yet. Baby, don't lie. Baby, don't lie.
How could you do that to me? I'm falling slowly. I'm falling slowly. I'm falling slowly. Can you forgive me? How could you hold it in? How do you sleep at night?
I'm not the same man you knew. Take a walk in my shoes. 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 Take a walk in my shoes.
I'm falling slowly. I'm falling slowly.
thought I did, but now I know I don't know, yeah. Baby, don't lie. Baby, don't lie.
How could you do that to me? I'm falling slowly. 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 I'm falling slowly.
Can you forgive me?
How could you hold it in? How do you sleep at night?
I'm not the same man you knew. Take a walk in my shoe. Take